You already know that tires don't last forever, but what if I told you most people are cutting their tire life in half without even realizing it? The truth is, your driving habits and small mistakes are secretly destroying your tires long before the tread wears out. Mechanics see this every single day. Tires that should last 50,000 miles are bald after 20,000. And the worst part? Most of it could have been avoided with a few simple tricks. And before we get started, I want to ask you something personal. Please subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you're not just learning amazing things about cars every week. You'll also be helping me reach YouTube monetization, which supports my college fees and gives me the financial help I need to keep making videos like this. So if you enjoy this content, hitting that button means the world to me. Now, let's get into the mechanic-approved hacks that can make your car's tires last years longer. So, the first thing mechanics always check is tire pressure, and not just when it's low. Driving on underinflated or overinflated tires is honestly the fastest way to kill them. Underinflated tires flex too much, building up heat that eats away the sidewalls. Overinflated tires, on the other hand, wear down the center tread way too quickly. That's why pros always say, check your pressure at least once a month, not just when the light comes on. Even better, you can invest in a simple digital gauge and set your tires to the exact PSI listed inside your driver's door. Doing this alone can add tens of thousands of miles to your tire life. But here's the second trick hardly anyone talks about. Rotate your tires regularly. Tires don't wear evenly. The front ones wear faster because they do the steering and most of the braking. If you never rotate them, your front tires will die way earlier than the rears. Mechanics recommend rotating every 5,000 to 7,000 miles. This simple step spreads the wear evenly, meaning all four tires last together, saving you hundreds of dollars in replacements. Another mechanic-approved hack is keeping your car properly aligned. If your alignment is off, your tires wear in strange patterns, inside edge, outside edge, or even diagonal bald spots. You might think alignment checks are a waste of money, but here's the truth. Paying $80 for an alignment can save you from throwing away $600 on a new set of tires that got chewed up early. Plus, a properly aligned car feels smoother, safer, and more stable at high speeds. Now let's talk about balance. Have you ever felt your steering wheel shake on the highway? That's a sign your tires are out of balance. And here's what most people don't realize. Driving like that doesn't just feel annoying. It creates uneven wear that shortens tire life dramatically. Mechanics always rebalance tires when installing new ones, but it's worth asking for a rebalance if you feel vibration later. It's cheap, and it can add months of life to your tires. Here's another overlooked secret tire cleaning. Most people wash their car but completely ignore their tires, but brake dust, road salt, and grime eat away at rubber over time. Mechanics recommend using a tire cleaner and protectant spray every few weeks. It not only makes your tires look brand new but also conditions the rubber, keeping it flexible and resistant to cracking. Old, dry, cracked tires are dangerous, and they usually end up in the trash long before the tread actually wears out. Driving style also plays a massive role. Slamming the brakes, taking corners too fast, or flooring the accelerator creates heat and friction that chews through rubber. That's why taxi drivers and delivery vehicles go through tires so quickly. Smooth acceleration, gentle braking, and steady cornering can literally double the life of your tires. Mechanics can tell when someone is rough on their car. The tires always give it away. But here's something you might not expect. Wait. The heavier your car, the harder your tires work. If you're constantly driving with a trunk full of unnecessary junk, you're adding stress your tires weren't designed for. Mechanics always say, lighten your load. Even removing 50 to 100 pounds of useless stuff from your car can reduce wear and tear on the tires. Another secret is seasonal care. If you live in a hot climate, summer heat can, really bake tires and accelerate wear. In colder areas, running summer tires in freezing weather makes the rubber brittle and unsafe. Run your hand over the tread every few weeks. If you feel rough patches, uneven wear, or bald spots, get it checked immediately. Catching the problem early, whether it's pressure, alignment, or suspension, can save your tires before it's too late. Now imagine this. You're checking your pressure monthly, rotating your tires on schedule, keeping them aligned and balanced, driving smoothly, and keeping the rubber clean and protected. Suddenly, instead of replacing your tires every 25,000 miles, they're lasting 50,000 or even 60,000. That's hundreds of dollars saved, better performance, and a safer car. And remember, it's not magic. These are proven, mechanic-approved hacks that anyone can do. So if you found this video helpful, please take a second and subscribe. Subscribing to our channel not only helps you keep learning amazing things about cars, but it also helps me reach monetization so I can pay my college fees and keep making this content.